Hello guys, today I'll show you how I make Wispy full set for this girl with closed set eyes. So I prefer to make a fox effect for a girl with the closed set eyes because the distance between her eyes is a little less than one eye. So I'll make spikes first. My spikes will be 15 millimeters. Like half of eye will be with the spikes 15, and the main layer for these eyes in the outer corner will be 13, because we make an fox effect for her. So here I isolated her bottom lashes with tape, and I'll make spikes first. Shaking my glue, getting ready for starting my process. You can see that she has a lot of her natural lashes, and they growing in direction to her nose. So we need to change the direction of the growing of her natural lashes. Be careful, because we need to create a fox effect for her. The curl will be CC, because I think it's one of the most popular curls, and I like to make Wispy or Kim Kardashian, the same name of this effect. Kim Kardashian in Russia, Wispy in USA, but I think everybody understands this. So I shaked my glue. My glue drop is ready for my lash extension process. My lashes is CC 0.1, and now I picked 15, and I'm gluing my first spike to the outer corner for this girl, for her left eye. One spike is ready. I glued it to the outermost lashes for her left eye. Now I do this the same for right eye. Done. Okay. Check, because the direction of spikes is the most important. Much more important than the direction of main layer. So spike will be 15, and the main layer will be from 13 till 7. So I'm gluing the next spike absolutely close to the first spike to make one thick spike. I make one spike from two fans, from two closed fans, or sometimes from 3 if my model have if my model has a lot of her natural lashes, and I want to make very dramatic look. Making the same to the right eye, so it will be one thick spike. I usually show for my clients how to make dramatic spike with hairspray or brow gel. Now I already made the second one, the second spike to the left eye, you see, near first one. So I'm making spike. Usually I make 7 or 10 spike, depends of the size of eye. Okay, now my spikes are ready and I'll make the main layer. You see, on my hand the size of lashes is 13. So I'm filling the space between spikes. Half of eye will be 13 and half of them will be from 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So half of eye I'll divide for 5 parts. That's it. This is my map for wispy look. Now our lashes are ready. I think my model is really beautiful. It looks really natural. And I think she's really happy. She is gorgeous with this effect. I think it's suitable and beautiful on all types of my clients.